Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can enable gestures navigation in your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to click on settings and click on system. Here it is navigation, or you can just simply go to your this accessibility, or you can go to system also, click on gestures, and here it is system navigation. You have to just swipe down and here it is gestures. You have to click on this, and friends, your gestures is now set. How you can use this? You have to first to learn about how you can use. First, uh, if you want to just back this, just simply swipe right like this, you can see. And if you want to just go back from any of this, you have to simply swipe up like this, and you have to go to wages, then you have to just click swipe up like this, you can see this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.